Welcome to Tana Sari waterfall. Only 25k rupiah for one person, and you can spend as much time here as you want. We'll walk down that path heading to the entrance. The flowing water comes from the irrigation dam in Jiangga Regency, and natural springs that lead to the water pools, providing cool temperatures. Welcome to Tana Sari waterfall. No. Oh no, the water is so bad.
Yes, it's just a rainy season. Anyways, there's the pool.
Oh, look at all the trash.
This isn't my world. Disappointed!
Let's go for swimming. So they're going down to the waterfall. It's such a bummer. Oh, water's so strong. It actually smells very bad because all the trash and maybe sewer got into the stream of the blood. Well, looks like we have to head back to the villa. I mean, head to